I guess live here from the DMC warehouse. I want to give you a quick brief look, as we sometimes do with these videos. Today we have the LP700 wing in carbon fiber. I think DMC, one of the most iconic products we ever created, was all kind of Lamborghini tuning, but in particular the Aventador wing, which we call the Molto Veloce. So let's take a look at this thing, and before we go into detail, let me also show you what usually comes with the DMC products. There is usually we include one of our limited edition caps. Very beautiful. We only made 500 of these. Check out another video for all the details on this. There's tons of details on these actually. Then you get the DMC warranty book. Your product is only real if it has the warranty book. So in here you've got all kind of details about the car owner, about the seller, the importer, and also you've got a warranty from DMC, so you have to come back every now and then to get a chop from your local DMC dealer. You also get a beautiful DMC, it's not a tote bag, I'm not sure how to call this, but it has beautiful details. Not sure if the camera can catch these lines that are embossed in the paper. And of course, some details about the wings, so let's jump into that right now. Thanks a lot. So that's it. That was a brief look at the DMC LP700 wing in carbon fiber. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please hit it with a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, also okay, hit it with a thumbs down. And by all means, please leave us a comment and tell us what you did like or what you didn't like.